I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings quickly. Press Windows plus I. Once done, choose System, then Sound. This gets you to the audio controls where Windows keeps defaults. Make sure to scroll to Advanced Sound Options. This is where individual app outputs and inputs appear. You're taking the first actionable step. We won't fiddle with drivers yet. Instead, focus on the built-in reset controls so you can restore everything to Microsoft's default configuration. Now navigate to App Volume and Device Preferences in Advanced Sound Options. This shows per app levels and devices. Click Reset to Microsoft Recommended Defaults. This reverts volume and device choices for all apps at once. Then, verify each app's output and input selections to ensure they point to the correct speakers or microphone. You do this so apps won't override the system default later. It prevents uneven volume, muted apps, or wrong device assignments. Finally, restart Windows Audio Services or simply reboot the PC to apply the restored default system-wide. If you still hear no sound, run Settings System Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters, then run Playing Audio. This finds and fixes configuration errors. As a last resort, update or reinstall the audio driver from Device Manager. Do this only if the reset and troubleshooter fail, because driver changes can reintroduce custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.